Shah, leader in chemistry, principal of Triveni College. Want to start a new session in organic chemistry through YouTube channel. It is the brainchild of Mr. Sagarkant Janna, Secretary of Triveni College, and AO Mr. Ulusa, who always try their level best to uplift the below standard to higher standard and higher standard to higher standard. So I am very much thankful for them. Before going to start the new session, I want to draw your attention towards the creative and creative knowledge, which will help you while solving any question, direct or indirect, or questions of NCERT books. So, my dear student, what is creative and creative knowledge? पिलाମାନେ ଟିକେ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ କ'ଣ କ୍ରିଏଟିଭ୍ ଏ କ୍ରିଏଟିଭ୍ ନଲେଜ। ମୁଁ କହିବି ତମ କାନ ଶୁଣିଲା, ସିଏ ନେଇକି ଷ୍ଟୋର ରୁମ୍ରେ ରଖିଲା, ମୁଁ ଲେଖିଲି ତମ ଆଖି ଦେଖିଲା, ସେ ଷ୍ଟୋର ରୁମ୍ରେ ରଖିଲା। ତାପରେ କ'ଣ ସେ ଷ୍ଟୋର ରୁମ୍ରୁ କେମିତି ବାହାରିବ, ସେଟା ହେଉଛି ତମ କାମ, ତମ ପାଟି ସେଟାକୁ ବାହାର କରିବ, ତାପରେ ତମ ହାତ ସେଟା ଲେଖିବ। ତେଣୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ କହି ସାରିଲୁ ବା ଆମେ ଲେଖି ସାରିଲୁ, ଷ୍ଟୋର ରୁମ୍ରେ ରହିଲା, ତମେ ବାରମ୍ବାର ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍ କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ। ପାଠ କିଛି କଷ୍ଟ ନୁହେଁ, ଘୁଷିଲେ କିଛି କାମ ଦେବ ନାହିଁ, ଘୁଷିକି ତମେ ଯେକୌଣସି ଇଣ୍ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ତମେ ସଲ୍ଭ କରିପାରିବ ନାହିଁ। ତେଣୁ ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଅଭିନବ ଉପାୟ। ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ଥ୍ରୁରେ ତମେ ଆଖିରେ ଦେଖିପାରିବ, କାନରେ ଶୁଣିପାରିବ। ତେଣୁ ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ଗୋଟେ ଅଭିନବ ଉପାୟ ଟୁ କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ ଦ କ୍ରିଏଟିଭ୍ ନଲେଜ। ସୋ ଜ୍ଞାନ ପାଠ ବୋଇଲେ କ'ଣ, ଏ ଦୁଇଟା ଜିନିଷ ଉପରେ ସବୁବେଳେ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଆଉଟ୍ କରୁ, କ'ଣ ଦରକାର କ'ଣ କରୁ। ତମେ ଏବେ ଦେଖ ଅର୍ଗାନିକ କେମିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବା। ଅର୍ଗାନିକ କମ୍ପାଉଣ୍ଡ ବୋଲେ କ'ଣ? ହାଇଡ୍ରୋକାର୍ବନ and its derivative. So carbon plays the main role. So you have to gather the basic point about carbon. What are the basic point? First, one, symbol of carbon. Second, atomic number of carbon. Third, electronic configuration of carbon. Fourth, outermost cell. Five, number of electron in the outermost cell. Number of electron in the outermost cell. These are the 5. 6. Number of type of bond formed by carbon. 7. Type of bond formed by carbon. 7. Degree of carbon in alkyl groups. 8. ANE, YL, ENE, YNE. 9. Hybridization of carbon. 10. These are the basic points you have to know about the carbon. So symbol of carbon. First, symbol of carbon is C. You have seen in the blackboard, and you have here from your eye, and you kept in your mind. Symbol of carbon is C. Atomic number of carbon is 6. So, why it is necessary to keep in mind the atomic number of 6? We have, from atomic number, we can calculate number of electron is 6. Number of proton is 6. So, the number of electron present in carbon is 6. Electronic configuration, we can write it in 3 ways. According to main cell 2, 4. According to subcell 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. According to orbital 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz0. These are the 3 types of electronic configuration for carbon. Outermost cell. This is the outermost cell. This is the outermost cell. And these are called electrons. So, outermost cell is your second cell. Second cell is your outermost cell. Number of electrons present in outermost cell is your 4. So, types of bond formed in carbon. You know, an ionic bond is formed between ions. So, carbon has high ionization potential. Carbon has high ionization potential. So, it cannot form C4 minus by losing its electron. It has low ionization potential. So, it cannot gain 4 electrons. It has low electron affinity. So it cannot gain 4 electrons to form 4 plus. So it cannot form ionic bond. So it only shares electrons to form covalent bond. So the number of covalent bond it forms is 4 covalent bonds. 4 covalent bonds. Carbon shares 4 electrons to form 4 covalent bonds. It may be a single bond, it may be a double bond, it may be a triple bond. It may be a carbon-carbon single bond, single covalent bond. It may be carbon-carbon double covalent bond. It may be a triple covalent bond. It cannot form carbon-carbon 4 full covalent bond. It is another chapter. It depends upon the bond strength of carbon. Double bond, single bond, and triple bond. When it forms 4 covalent bond, it comes together and gets repaired. So 4 covalent bond cannot be formed between carbon-carbon. Therefore, it is neglected. So single bond, double bond, triple bond. Then comes hydrocarbon. Means you have to satisfy the 4 valency of carbon by using hydrogen atom. If you take carbon, there is no bond around it. So 4 hydrogen is required. When no bond, 4 hydrogen. When 1 bond is there, you have to use 3 hydrogen atom. When 2 bonds are there, are like this, you have to use 2 hydrogen. When 3 bond is there, you have to 1 hydrogen. If 4 bond is there, no hydrogen. So, how to satisfy the valency of carbon atom using hydrogen? This is the point. When there is no bond, you have to use 4 hydrogen. When there is 1 bond, you have to use 3 hydrogen. When it is 2 bonds, you have to 2 hydrogen. When it has 3 bonds, you use 1 hydrogen atom. When it contains 4 bonds, you do not use any hydrogen. It is satisfied. The valency of carbon is satisfied. This is all about satisfying valency by hydrogen. Then comes degree of, then comes A and E, Y and E and E, Y and E. This is A and E comes from number of hydrogen. Number of hydrogen according to number of carbon. Number of hydrogen according to number of carbon gives A and E, YL, E and E, Y and E. For example, when N is equal, C is equal to N, H is equal 2N plus 2, then we use suffixes A and E. When N is equal to 1, H is equal to 4, so you use A and E as suffix. When C is equal to 2, H is equal to 6, you use A and E. For YL, H is equal to 2N plus 1. For YL, 2N plus 1. When N is equal, C is equal to N, H is equal 2N plus 1. When C is equal to 1, H is equal to 3. When C is equal to 2, H is equal to 5. If H is equal to 3, H is equal to 5, we use Y1, YN. When N is C is equal to N, H is equal to 2N, you use E and E. When N is equal, C is equal to N, H is equal to 2N minus 2, you use Y and E. These are called A and E, E and E, YL, YN. Then comes carbon. It determines the number of carbon, the name of number of carbon, the name of number of carbon gives or determines name of number of carbon determines the word group. Organic compound alkane and its derivative is known as organic compound, are known as organic compound. So, what is alkane? What is alkane? You have to तुम्हें मैंने alkane विषय में पूरा perfect जानने जे कौन सी organic compound क्या करते हैं? alkane. alkane में कौन होती? alko होती? A नहीं होती. alko होती number of carbon atom. alko होती number of carbon atom. A नहीं होती number of hydrogen atom. alko होती number of carbon atom. A नहीं होती number of hydrogen atom. Number of carbon atom C is equal to the N. H for A H is equal to N plus 2. Carbon যদি এটা হবো হাইড্রোজেন কত হবো 2n plus 2 2 গুণন 2 অধিক 2 টেবল যে টান্ডা লাগে 2 কে 2 plus 2 4 2 দুগুণে 4 plus 2 6 ହେଲେ କଣ ବନାଇବ n is equal 1 ହେଲେ h is equal 4 n is equal 2 ହେଲେ h is equal 6 n is equal 3 ହେଲେ h is equal 8 4 6 8 हाइड्रोजन संख्या ଥିଲେ ଆମେ कोन କହିବା ତ a and e ତାକୁ ଆମେ कोन କହିବା a and e ତାକୁ କହିବା alkane ଏଟା number of carbon atom number of name of number of carbon atom for C1 it is mint for C2 it is it for C3 it is prop For C4, it is but. For C5, it is pent. For C6, it is hex. For C7, it is hurt. For C8, it is ought. For C9, it is non. C10, it is dead. Data monograph C1 commit, C2 C3 prop, C4 pure, C5 pen, C6 X, C7 hack, C8 up, C9 none, C10 subtract. Jadi C count करबे cannot count that, cannot count that. You use alk. When you cannot count the carbon atom, you use alk. And it is number of hydrogen atoms. So, for example, if you take C1, what is the number of hydrogen? 2 1s are 2 plus 2, 4. अब त्याग कोई बात, त्याग कोई बार अभ्यास सीखो पड़ेगा. C1 में ले, H4. C2 में ले, H. कहते हैं 2 2s are 4 2 6. C3 में ले, H8. C4 में ले, H10. इमिडिएटली हमें आने वाला बा हाइड्रोजन लोकेट मध्य आने C. There is no bond. When there is no bond, you require 4 hydrogen. It is 2 carbon, 1 bond, 3, 3. It is C2 H6. When it is 3 carbon, 1 bond, so it is CH3. It is CH2. It is CH3. C3 H5 H. So you can write the different types of alkane by using Cn H2n plus 2 or by using single bond and satisfying the bonds with hydrogen atom. You can write this. Then you come to naming of carbon atom. So what is the name of one carbon atom? Meth. What is the name of one carbon atom? Meth. What is the name of 4 carbon atom? What is the name of 4 carbon atom? A and E. So it is methane. What is this name of this carbon atom? Carbon 2 carbon atom. It. Hydrogen 6. 2n plus 2. It is A and E. Ethane. It is propane. 8 A and E. Propane. In this way, you can write the example of alkane and name. Then comes from name, how can you write the formula? From name, how can you write the formula? You see, my dear student, meth, carbon 1, A and E, 2n plus 2, 2 1s are 2 plus 2, 4, methane. Ethane C2, that is 2n plus 2, 2n plus 2 means 6, or you can write it means 2 carbon and you have to satisfy the balance. This is the simplest. Propane, 3 carbon, you have to satisfy CH3, CH2, CH3, and this becomes to C3, H8. You can write the formula for propane like this, or you can write directly C3, H2n plus 2, 8 in this way. So, this is all about alkane. How can you write the formula and how can you name the given compound? So, this is all about alkane. Alkyl is very important. Alkyl. This is alk plus YL. This is the root one. This is the root one. One root. So with it proper propute pent. YL means number of hydrogen in the form 2n plus 1. If the number of hydrogen is 2n plus 1, it is YL. If the number of hydrogen is 2n plus 1, it is YL. So for example, C1 has 2 and 2 plus 1, 3. C1 is with H3 is YL, so it is methyl. When you take C2, H2 to the 4 plus 1, 5. This is the second alkyl. How to name it? C2 is it, H5 is YL, so it is ethyl. If you take C3, H7, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. So what is the name of this group? Prop. C3 means prop, H7 means YL, propyl. These are alkyl. So what is the difference between alkane and alkyl? Alkane is CH4 and alkyl is CH3. Alkane is C2H6. Alkyl is C2H5. Propane is C3H8. Propyl is C3H7. If you take alkyl group is R, what is alkane? RH. One H is different. So alkane is your RH. Alkyl is your R. This is RH and this is R. So what is alkyl? RH. And what is alkyl? R. Alkyl is the main role in organic chemistry. So then comes your degree of carbon. Different types of alkyl. Types of alkyl. Methyl. Types of alkyl. Methyl, ethyl, this is methyl, this is ethyl. When comes propyl, this is propyl. एठारे तीन प्रकार propyl दिया है. एक C, CH3, CH2, CH2. Another is CH3, CH. This is two types of propyl. This is normal. When it is a straight chain, you say N-propyl. When one carbon contains two carbon, this is isopropyl. When one carbon is attached to two carbon, then it is isopropyl. So propyl has two structures: normal propyl, normal isopropyl. Then comes your butyl. What is butyl? C4H2, 2 4 8 plus 1 9. It has also two types of structure: normal, iso. You see, normal, straight CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. This is normal butyl. If you can write like this: C. 4C, CH3, CH2. This is isobutyl. If you write like this, when one carbon is attached to 3 carbon, it is tertiary butyl. Tertiary butyl. So butyl has 1, 2, 3. Another structure. C, 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 C. Tertiary butyl. Here. Tertiary butyl. So normal butyl, isobutyl, tertiary butyl. Then comes, if the carbon is surrounded by 4 carbon, this is neopentyl. This is neopentyl. Neopentyl. So normal, iso, secondary how much? C, 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 C. If it is bonded, this is secondary butyl. This is secondary butyl. So alkyl group are normal, iso, secondary, tertiary butyl. Neopentyl. This pentyl also has normal, iso, secondary, neopentyl. Normal pentyl means this is normal pentyl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. CH3, CH2, 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 C. This is normal pentyl. Normal pentyl. If it contains an iso group, this is iso, this is iso3, this is isopentyl, this is isopentyl, isopentyl. Then comes your neopentyl, normal pentyl, isopentyl, isobutyl, tertiary butyl, normal butyl, secondary butyl. Methyl has no normal, secondary, tertiary. This is simply ethyl and methyl. Then comes normal, iso, secondary comes C3. This is all about degree of carbon. Primary, secondary, tertiary. These are the degree of carbon. Then comes your hybridization of carbon. Hybridization, हम मुख्य दरकार carbon रो hybridization. Carbon has 3 hybridization. 1 sp3, sp2, sp. एटा इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री पढ़ा हम मत ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में जति दरकार वो सेति केते बेले ए कार्बन टा sp3 when it is attached to 4 single bond the carbon is sp3 hybridization. जतबेले ये कार्बन का डबल बॉन्ड सहित जोड़िथो it is sp2. When it contains a triple bond, it is sp. कहीं की ये हाइड्रेशन कार्बन रो दरकार और मुख्य कथा S कैरेक्टर करते R होची 25% S कैरेक्टर, R होची 33% S कैरेक्टर, R होची 50% S कैरेक्टर. हाइड्रेशन ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में कौन में दरकार S कैरेक्टर दरकार. कहीं की S कैरेक्टर दरकार. S character kind दरकार कोटा more electronegative कहीं आप S character तब sp carbon is most electronegative than sp2 than s. जार S character अधिका से more electronegative. ये कौन जमा रखा है जोर दरकार पड़ी कुछ यूज हो जाएगा. चलो कार्बन विषय में बहुत गुड़े जिनस कहली ये सब मन रखिले तमें क्रिएटिव नॉलेज व्यवहार कर परिबो नले व्यवहार कर परिबो. कोन कार्बन केतरा बॉन्ड तैयार करछि कार्बन चारटा कोवलेंट बॉन्ड तैयार करछि कार्बन को किमिति हाइड्रोजन द्वारा सैटिस्फाई करबा गोटे बॉन्ड थिले तीनटा हाइड्रोजन लगेबो दुईटा बॉन्ड थिले दुईटा हाइड्रोजन लगेबो तीनटा बॉन्ड थिले गोटे हाइड्रोजन लगेबो चारटा बॉन्ड थिले हाइड्रोजन किछि लगेबो नाही इटा गोटे सूत्रटा तापर एन वाई एन इटा आला पोरे जेतो अल्केन हम जानि करबा तार डेरिवेटिव को कहबा जे कोनसी ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड एबे हालो अल्केन पढिबा हालो अल्केन एबे वर्तमान हम पढिबा हालो अल्केन प्रथमे हालो अल्केन माने कोन जानिबा हालो अल्केन इज ए ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड हालो अल्केन इज ए ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड हालो अल्केन इज ए ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड फॉर ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड तमे जानिबा पड़िबो जे अल्केन तार डेरिवेटिव अल्केन होची फर्स्ट में कहछि RH अल्केन होची RH हालोजन होची हालो होची हालोजन होची H2 it may be F2 Cl2 Br2 I2 आपको कहबे हालोजन आपण कहबे हालोजन अल्केन रो बाहर छै डिराइव कराइ छै केमिति डिराइव होय छै H काटिके X लागि छै H काटिके X लागि छै हमको आसला RX कौन कहबे हालो अल्केन that is it is a derivative of alkane what type of derivative halogen derivative of alkane is known as haloalkane it is also called common namely alkyl halide this is alkyl and this is halide so what is halogen X2 X is your halogen atom Cl Br I F argon fluorine atom bromine atom iodine atom X minus is called halide F minus Cl minus Br minus I minus chloride bromide iodine X plus is your halonium ion electrophile F है परिमाण most electro negative then F minus है परिमाण Cl plus Br plus I plus these are called halonium ion halochloronium bromonium iodine ele bortoman ida amu pura janiba pai कहली what is halogen atom what is halide what is halonium amu darkar halide alkyl halide alkyl कहबे X minus atom से कनु amu कोन कहबे halide this is the common name haloalkane ro common name होछि alkyl halide